everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, I love to buy stickers, but we can also make the exact custom sticker that we need. And I'll show you how. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to everyone who is supporting me in so many positive ways. Thank you for buying me coffee. Thank you for supporting my monthly members group. Thank you for all of your positive comments, and thank you so much for being here today to watch my video. Those of you who have been with me for a while, you know I love stickers, and I craft a lot with stickers and cut aparts. I'm usually able to find a sticker that fits exactly what I want in that moment. But what happens when I can't find the perfect sticker? Well, I make my own. And that is what we're going to do today. I hope that you guys can see this. I'm going to give you a closer look in just a minute, but I hope that you're able to see this because this is a sticker pack that I made and that I packaged. Now, if I'm looking for an uplifting, fun, whimsical word sticker, all I have to do is look on this pack because I can find one to fit what I might need. And to complete the look, I went ahead and created my own coordinating ephemera. So if I'm making a card or if I'm making an embellishment to go on a box or a bag, I have everything I need between these two packages, and all I'll need is some cardstock for the mat. This is going to be so simple and y'all are going to love it. So you know what time it is? It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at my homemade stickers. So let's say you're working on a project and you can't find the right sticker, but you happen to have some cardstock or some cut aparts or some project life cards that have just what you're looking for on them. Well, we're going to take those and we're going to turn them into stickers. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. But first, I am going to show you my fun stickers. So what I did was I created a pack of word stickers and sweet, smile, funny, such fun and happy. And look how bright and vibrant these are. These would surely bring a smile to anyone's face, and these are ready to be placed on cards, to be placed on scrapbook pages, to be placed on boxes and bags, wherever you might want to put them. And then the second pack contains a whole bunch of ephemera cutouts. So this is a perfect way to package some happy mail. But look at the stinking cute way this is packaged. This is perfect for a craft fair or an Etsy store or your online shop. So here's how I'm going to do it. So for today's sticker pack, I have already cut out a whole bunch of pieces from some project life cards. And I'm going to show you exactly how I can cut those out using some of these. So I'm just going to go through and pick out the ones that I want to work with. And I think I'm going to stick with the black and white because I like how that's looking. So we're going to do a black and white sticker and ephemera pack today. And those of you who aren't too familiar with project life cards, there is a front and a back to the card. I am just going to trim this into what I want. Don't throw away the backs because we can turn those into workable pieces in our project. So this really is mostly a no-waste project. So now that we have this piece cut out, I'm simply going to take my scissors and round the ends. And just like that, we have a piece of word ephemera. So here I want to take this piece, and like I said, this is going to be no waste. So I'm just going to go ahead and round that end. Then I'm going to trim off there, and we're going to go ahead and turn this into a little flag. And then we'll take this piece and we're just going to round the ends. And this can go in our ephemera pack. So if you wanted to, you could take this piece, put it on that with a nice little piece of bling here, and add some words coming off. But we're going to put that over in our ephemera pack for right now. So then I'm going to go ahead and just cut out this because I think it'll make a nice little piece of ephemera. And on the back side, we have Happy Thoughts. It's a bubble. So I am just going to modify this bubble just a little bit because I took off some of the top when I created that banner piece. So we're just going to cut this out. Not going for perfection. And so now we have another sweet piece of ephemera that we can add to our ephemera pack. This is really going to be very simple. I am just going to go through and pick out some words or phrases that I might want to put on the sticker sheet, and then everything else is going to be ephemera, but we're going to go back and do some modifications to some of the pieces of ephemera. So I have these pieces here. I haven't decided if I'm going to put all of these on a sticker pack, but I'm going to go to my Project Life box, and what I'm looking for is a card that's really going to make the black and white pop. So to do that, I am going to go with either this one or this one. I haven't decided which one yet, but I'm going to take some of my pieces and place them down just to see which ones are giving me the best look. So I might actually put some of those there. Put Happiness Is on there. So I think I like the way this is looking on the polka dots instead of my stripes. So I am going to go with the polka dot look, and I need to figure out what I want to put on here. So I want to fill in that little spot right there. So I'm going to take this little banner here and cut it out. It's a word banner. So it's going to fit right in with this. And I think I'm going to put them down like this. And to put them down, I am going to use my double-sided sticker sheet as well as my magic tape, which is repositionable tape from Amazon Basics. You guys know how much I love this magic tape, so it is going to come in handy today. So I am going to use some of my sticker sheet scraps, and I'm just going to place this piece down. I won't be using all of it, but I will go back and cover what I'm not using. So I am going to place that there. Place that there. Trying to save as much of it as I can. Let's see. Let's put this one right here. This one right here. And this one right there. So I'm just going to take that backer and place it down on what I'm not using, because I definitely want to save that for some other projects. So I'm just going to trim this away. And all I'm going to do is trim out my pieces. And this is very sticky. I'm just going to trim off this piece, and you guys can get an understanding of what I'm doing. I'm just trimming out my pieces because now that I have the tape on the back, all we'd have to do is peel away that piece to create the sticker. So I'm going to cut one more out with you guys, and then I'm going to do the remaining two off camera. So I'm going to share a little tip with you guys. What I just did was I took a little bit of baby oil, not a lot, that it would stain my paper, and I ran it along the blade. It was just a very light coating of that baby oil. And so now that acts as a resist, and the stickiness is not happening with my blade right now. So I am going to go ahead and cut these remaining 2 off camera, and I will be right back. All right, so I have all 5 of my pieces cut out, and all 5 pieces have double-sided adhesive on the back, but I want to stick this to my decorative paper here. So I am going to do that using my magic tape. What I like about that sticker paper is it's not glossy, so you can actually put glue dots or tape on the back if you wanted to create a pack like this and you didn't want your stickers to move. So I have that one sticker down there. Going to do the same thing with this one. Put that one there. Then I'm going to take the heart and put the heart right here. And we're going to finish it out like this. And my tape is repositionable, so if I didn't like my placement, I can actually move it around, but I am happy with how this looks. I think using the polka dot paper really does add to that cuteness. So now we have our stickers down. I am going to take a 5x7 cellophane bag, and I'm just going to put these in. Like this, and now we have a beautifully packaged set of stickers. I'm going to go ahead and seal it. And there is our custom pack of word stickers. Now we have all of this beautiful ephemera, and I'm not going to join any of it, but I want to make sure that in here I do have a lot of random pieces, and I also have pieces that are flags. So I am going to leave all of those as they are, but I am going to grab just 2 more word banners so that we can also have a nice selection of loose pieces of word ephemera in the package as well. So I'm just cutting these out. I'm going to save that because I can use it as a background mat, and the same is true for this one. So I am just going to cut out this. And I'm going to remove it all together. And then I'm also going to throw in a couple of full-size mats, but I wanted to show you something with one of these, and it's this one, this photograph. You can actually take this and not cut it all the way out. I'm just going to cut along the front here. And now I've created that little indentation, and we're now able to take it and use it as a tuck. So we can actually tuck something underneath that if we want. So now that I have my ephemera pieces, I am going to grab another one of my plastic bags, and I am just going to take all of this ephemera and put it in the bag. So I'm going to have a beautiful little black and white set. So I am going to peel that away, fold this over, shake that down to the bottom, and y'all look at what we have created. We have created stickers and coordinating ephemera pieces so that we can use these on our project, or we're able to gift these or to sell them. Now I'm going to go find a really cute little topper for this, and we're going to dress it and be done. All right, y'all, so I think I know what I want to do with this. So I am going to take just a little bit of tape, place it on that top pack because I want to join it to the second pack. So I am just going to take these two because they are set. I'm going to lay this down and fold over my tape like that. Then I am going to take one of my Project Life cards and I'm going to use it on the top, but I want to cut away the white. So I am going to put this in, and I know my bag is 5 inches wide, so I am just going to make this about 5 1/8. And I'm going to round these edges to match that rounded edge on the other side. And if you're hearing a bell, it is Loki. She is here with me today. And so now I'm going to turn it to the 4-inch side and score this at 2. And then I'll just take this, fold and burnish, and this is going to go on the top. But I have fallen absolutely in love with this particular sticker from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add that as a topper, and we're going to put that on just like that. Don't you think that is so stinking cute? So I don't even have to add any tape here because this part is a sticker, but I do need to add some tape right here. And I'm going to add that tape by peeling away the tape backer from the piece that I folded over. So we're going to put that down, and now I can close that. How stinking cute is this packaging? That is so sweet. I absolutely love it, and I think that you guys are just going to have a blast making your own stickers. Well, y'all, my big old head is back, but how stinking cute is this packaging and this whole process? Because we're able to take pieces of paper to create our own custom ephemera and stickers. These stickers are so sweet and they will look great on any project that we might be making. And then we have our coordinated ephemera, so it's going to work well with this whole set. But isn't this an eye catcher? And y'all, I will tell you this, I really love this project, but once I added the sticker to the top, it really kicked this to the stratosphere. It is absolutely fantastic and so easy on the eye. So I am going to bring that first one back in so that you can see the totally different look we have. We have the fun, the whimsical, and then we have the more classy, subdued, and we popped it off with one of those truck stickers, completely played into all of the colors that we have used on this project as we did here. So we used this topper to really play off of the fun and the colors that we have here, as well as the colors that we have here. So if you have some Project Life cards, or if you have some cut aparts that you're fond of, or you have a favorite piece of paper that you're fond of, go ahead, pull it out, and cut apart the elements of that and turn them into stickers and ephemera. And right here, if you're ready to craft a project, you have coordinating pieces that are going to work with that project. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, easy way to make your own stickers and ephemera using what you already have around you. If you have enjoyed this, and I most certainly hope that you have, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload another gem like this. Guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.